These are all empty oil drums. They are used for the lubricating oil on the main engine of the ship. This guy came along loaded with vegetables and fruits to trade for our oil drums. This time his demand is quite greedy. He wants to trade 50 oil drums for the food from his small boat. But whether it's 30 or 50 oil drums, it's all the same to us because empty oil drums are waste. However, in the UAE, they are very valuable. As usual, we first hoist the food up and then give him the oil drums. Today, he brought fresh watermelons, potatoes, onions, cucumbers, oranges, grapefruits, and more. It's 6 in the morning, and his brothers are still asleep. He came alone. After we hoisted all the food up, we kept our word and gave him the oil drums.